Hi guys, today is day 10 of real trading and I am planning to take a short position in Bank Nifty. Let's take at market price. So the order got executed. Now we'll keep our stop loss and target orders. 37002 was the price we got. The stop loss would be somewhere. This would be fine. 37080. Now we will keep our target. The nearest support would be somewhere 83, 85. A bit lower. I think this would be perfect. Let's keep 917. Okay, so 36917 is my target and 37080 is my stop loss. Let's keep the target order first as the momentum is bearish. 36917. Now let's keep the stop loss order. Alright, so both the orders are intact guys. I will update you once the target or stop loss is triggered. Alright guys, stop loss got triggered. Let's cancel the target order now. We got like 37083 and we booked a loss of rupees 2020. Look at the sudden move guys, it's almost around 180 points on a single candle. Very volatile and unexpected. So we entered the day with rupees 1000 profit. You might have seen me showing minus 2000 on the last clip. I just took another trade and our target got triggered. So basically today I took two trades and one stop loss got it and another one target got triggered. So now let's look at the setup behind those trades. So firstly Bank Nifty opened gap down and the gap got recovered in few minutes and there was some bearishness, but the trend was bullishness. You can clearly see it almost recovered half of what yesterday's fall. So it has recovered around 2%, 753 points, but yeah, a bit volatile. So you can see these candles 1, 2, 3 and 4. All this candle around was 130 points move. This was 123 and this was 140. This is the candle where our stop loss triggered, and then this candle around 100. So almost like four candles like made 400 points. So now let's look at the setup. I took trade at 1116. So 1116 was this candle. Let me zoom. So you can see it was kind of showing a wedge pattern. Usually during these setups, I will usually go for long because that's how this pattern works. And I also have booked profit by trading these patterns. So in case if it was uh, if this was the pattern, I will be going long here. Actually that's what happened here. Same vice versa, in case if it was going like this, it likely to fall. So this is how the pattern works. And but I ended up going for short portion because I just got confused in between. So let me draw this another candle, sorry, another line, trend line. So this was the breakdown and after that this was the retest. So even if you draw a fib retracement from bottom to top, sorry, from top to bottom, it's uh, it's getting 0.32 levels. So that's why I took trade at 1116 here. But what happened is it actually went like how I expected. um, as I told before, this pattern if I let me remove this, it will confuse me. So this pattern is usually good to go long, and in case if I went long, you can see our target would have easily triggered. But I did a mistake here. I went for short just because of this like breakdown. I didn't actually draw this. I didn't draw this line. I just drawn this line, the line which I shown you before. So from that point of view, I was just getting a strong resistance. So because if you see the gap got filled, that's one. Second, this was getting resistance. Also, I was getting breakdown with fib rejection. So I thought I just went for a short, and then our stop loss got triggered. Then I just analyzed. Then I thought that I just remove this line and draw this trend line. Then I thought like I messed up completely. And the funny part is that I have made profit by with the same pattern going long, and this happened today. So that costed us around 2000 rupees loss. 37081 was my SLM order, and it triggered at 83, around 81 points, so around 2025 rupees. And after that, like after half an hour, 45 minutes, I find another setup which was this level. Let me see the time, 12 20 12 12. So this was the 12 12 candle. So the reason I went again short is because of this simple thing. So you can see this was clearly facing resistance, 1 2 3 4, and fifth time it faced. So this is the sixth time it's getting resistance. Also the same level as tested, like from yesterday's afternoon, from today afternoon it has tested almost 5 to 6 times, which was 37 200 levels. So the moment it gave, I mean the moment it broke, likely to fall, just because the stop losses would be here. So all this would have been triggered and made a fall. So I just took right after I seen a red candle, and I took at 12 and our target got triggered. So in this I took, I think will show in the futures chart. This was the first trade, 81 points loss. It almost went like 60 points, I guess, from the time we took. Yeah, after that it just reversed in the one candle, 180 points in futures chart. So, and second trade we booked around 124 points. That's why we could uh, end up our day with 1000 rupees profit. After charges it would be around like 600. So that's it guys, two trades, and we ended up our day today. So that's it, thanks for watching. I will see you again tomorrow.